What's good, people? Welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're sitting on $1,000 and you don't know what to do with it, let's make some freaking money, right? So this video is sponsored by Subaru, so drive safely, right? So you're sitting on $1,000 and you have so many options, you don't know what to do with it. There's Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market. There's stock market. There's everything with penny stocks and Tesla and Apple and the Googles. There's starting your own business through Shopify, doing something online, starting a new service that you've always wanted to do. There's real estate. A lot of people telling you, buy something, fix it up, and, sell it back or rent it out. So many different options, right? Today, I wanted to break down to you a quick, simple strategy that I have been using that's been working for me, and it has given me over 950% returns in the stock market between August 2019 and today as I'm talking to you. And in the stock or in the crypto market, I have received 2,200% return between May of 2020 and now that I'm talking to you. So now, I was extremely lucky because it was a good opportunity at a good time. But here's the thing, I was also prepared for this. I was able to take advantage of the opportunity when it came knocking at the door. I was at the right place at the right time. And I don't credit all of this to myself, but I just happened to be lucky, but I also happened to be prepared. Those two things together is what gave me the results that I got. So my goal today with you is to help you make sure you're ready when opportunity comes knocking on your door, so you're ready to grab and snag away at the opportunity and make amazing returns as well with your $1,000. So first thing you need to do is you need to plan with the mindset to diversify, right? So there's a difference between wanting to take a risk and letting your greed make decisions for you, right? What you want to do is you want to split your $1,000 into a pie. So I personally follow a 60-30-10 rule, and this basically is a breakdown of how I break down my entire money that I'm trying to invest. So first of all, 60% of my money is generally in the stock market because I think it's more stable. Well, that's kind of ironic because it really isn't stable at all. But it's more stable than the crypto market and the other drastic, crazy investments, right? Especially if you're picking companies like tech companies that have very, very wonderful track records. So we're talking the Googles, we're talking the Teslas, we're talking Microsoft, we're talking Apple, we're talking Amazon, we're talking the big boys in the market that are doing big things, and they're just doing amazing, right? So if you want to learn how to buy fractional shares, by the way, because these stocks that I just mentioned are very expensive, but you can always buy a percentage of those stocks. So it doesn't matter if it's only $100 you have, you can always still invest in the big names like Amazon. Whatever you have, you can invest $10 in Amazon and buy 0.02% of a share. So if you want to know how to do that and you don't know how to do it, comment down below in the comment section and I'll make a video about it. If no one comments that, I would just assume everybody knows how to do it, so I would just skip that. So I would assume everyone is on the same wave. Moving on to the next point is 30%. So 30% crypto. Honestly, I'm starting to lean a little bit more to the crypto space, but this is because of the underlying technology behind it. So I will be making a video about this later. This is a topic for another day, but we're talking about Web 3.0. So we currently live in Web 2.0 with Instagram, Facebook, Google, everything that we have right now that's connected between cloud and your phones and mobile technology. Everything is sitting on Web 2.0. Web 3.0 is blockchain technology and the new advancements coming with that and the decentralization of applications on that. That's a video for another day. But anyway, that's what I am trying to look at right now. Cryptocurrency is in that space. We're talking about the top two, Bitcoin and Ethereum. They have been the number one returning assets for the past 3 years. Legitly, like number one, doing better than any other asset in the world. Crazy. But here's the thing, it's very volatile, it's very risky. You don't know when the bear markets are going to be or when the bull markets are going to be. Right now, we're sitting in a bull market for cryptocurrency, so it's at its all-time high. and no one knows where it's going to go down. A lot of people are saying that Bitcoin is making a run towards 100K before it sees a market correction, and the rest of the altcoins like Ethereum should be following that similar trajectory. But we don't know when or if that is going to be the case. That's just speculations going about. Now, I just want to say it has been doing this, so do not sleep on this market. If you're not aware about what's going on in crypto, check out my channel. I have a video on how to get started in crypto, how to buy your first Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to watch that video, go check it out on my channel. But basically, you don't want to sleep on this investment. Very, very huge opportunity in this market. It's very risky, but high risk, high reward. So do your own due diligence. Watch videos like this or watch other videos online about Bitcoin and just find out for yourself what's really going on if you've been living under a rock for the past couple years. The last thing I want to talk about is your last 10%. Now, this is for you to leave to yourself. So you want to take this money and invest it in yourself. Now, starting a personal business or a side hustle with maybe $100, because 10% of $1,000 is $100. It may not sound like a lot, right? But $100 is going to help you get started. Now, it might help you with one thing like building your first website for your business. It might help you buy some business cards. It might help you get your first equipment. Maybe you need a camera. I don't know if they sell cameras for $100, but maybe you need some little item that's going to push you forward in your personal side hustle or business. You definitely want to start investing in yourself as well, because your active incomes are definitely going to be a lot more than your passive income. Well, typically, depending on how your businesses are moving, but usually if you're putting energy into something a lot more than you do passively, you will be making a lot more in return. So if you invest that $100, it could end up making you your $1,000 back. It could snowball into $2,000, eventually $3,000. And before you know it, you're sitting on a lot of money. And again, this is going to help you even get more money to invest in other things like crypto and Bitcoin and the stock market as well. So you definitely want to invest in yourself. Now, if you want to find out about specific stocks, because I know I didn't really mention any specific stocks of how you should put this $1,000, I'm just giving you a breakdown on how you should plan to use the money. If you want to find out, I also name dropped a lot of companies and stocks in this video as well, so take that as you may. Anyway, if you want to actually find like real breakdowns of these companies, I have a lot of videos on my channel as well. I would say like I have tons of videos talking about Square, very bullish on Square. Personally, Lemonade on my channel as well, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I have some new videos coming soon on Solana. It is a cryptocurrency. I'll be talking more about that very soon, but just take a look at my channel, scroll through it briefly for like 10 seconds, see if anything catches your eye. If not, you can walk away and go away. But anyway, if you love this video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to stay tuned in for more videos, because I will be bringing you big bangers very soon on how to invest your money, how to start businesses online, and how to just overall build a career and lifestyle that you want to be building. Overall, that's what I'm working on personally as well. So we're on this train, on this road, on this plane together, and we're going to be taking off really soon. Welcome to the fam. Hope to see you soon. Peace.